My cat Tiger's in the hammock right now. Hi, Tiger. He loves this thing. I'm gonna put one of my rats with him. He's attacking the blanket. He's one of the calmest cats, and he's okay with the rats. But the rats are not okay with the cats. But we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna try to get Casper. Come on, Casper. Come on, Casper. Come here, big boy. Come here. Hi, you Ollie. You don't like him. You'll bite him. Ollie wants to, but she doesn't like the cats. Come here. Come here, buddy. He doesn't want to come out. Come here, lazy bum. Come here. Come here. Trying to get him. Not you, Molly. You don't have to come out. I'm just trying to get... I know, Ollie. Buddy. Oh, wait. You want to? We'll test out Iric. Come here, Iric. Let's put him. Did you just fall?
Yes.
Are you okay? I wish I caught that on tape. There we go. There they are. Iric is a little terrified. Be nice to each other. See, my cat doesn't do anything. But Iric doesn't like it. He's got to get along. Oh, he's okay. He'll get used to him. My tiger likes it. He's purring. Got a little friend. Let's go on the other side. Hi, guys. Iric is looking for a way to get out. He's like, I don't want to be next to this cat. It's okay, buddy. Come here, Iric. Hi, Tiger. Tiger's like, I want to get away from him too. Oh. Where's Iric? Oh, there he is. Oh, see, he doesn't do anything to him. People always think that cats are vicious to small little creatures. But it's not true. If you raise them with them, they can be friends. Yeah, my cat Tiger was raised around rodents, so he's okay with the rats. It's the rats that don't like them. Hi, boys. What are you doing? Say bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.